Rusia merilis perkembangan terbaru 24 jam terakhir di Ukraina, Selasa tanggal 29 Maret. Tribun Timur mengutip media resmi Kementerian Pertahanan, tentara Rusia terus mengincar peralatan dan aset militer Ukraina untuk dihancurkan. Pada malam hari tanggal 28 Maret rudal jelajah yang diluncurkan dari udara dengan presisi tinggi menghancurkan sebuah pangkalan bahan bakar besar di dekat Klevan, wilayah Rovno. Pasokan bahan bakar untuk peralatan militer Ukraina dilakukan dari pangkalan ini ke pinggiran kota Kiev, kata jubir Kemenhan Rusia, Mayor Jenderal Igor Konasenkov. Alat pertahanan udara Angkatan Udara Rusia menembak jatuh 3 kendaraan udara tak berawak Ukraina semalam di dekat Chernobyevka. Pada malam hari, 68 fasilitas militer Ukraina dihantam oleh penerbangan taktis. Di antaranya, 3 pos komando, 4 sistem rudal anti-pesawat, termasuk 3 Buk M1 dan 1 OSA, 1 stasiun radar, 5 peluncur roket ganda, 2 depot amunisi, 3 depot bahan bakar, dan 19 area konsentrasi peralatan militer Ukraina. Secara total, sejak awal operasi militer khusus, 123 pesawat dan 74 helikopter, 311 kendaraan udara tak berawak, 1.738 tank dan kendaraan tempur lapis baja lainnya, 181 peluncur roket ganda, 726 artileri dan mortir lapangan, serta 1.592 unit khusus kendaraan militer telah dihancurkan, kata Igor dikutip Tribun Timur.
On the evening of March 28, high-precision air-launched cruise missiles destroyed a large fuel base near Klevan Rovno region. Fuel supplies for Ukrainian military equipment were carried out from this base to the suburbs of Kiev. Air defense means of the Russian aerospace forces shot down 3 Ukrainian unmanned aerial vehicles overnight near Chernobyevka. During the night, 68 military facilities of Ukraine were hit by tactical aviation. Among them 3 command posts, 4 anti-aircraft missile systems, including 3 Buk M1 and 1 OSA, 1 radar station, 5 multiple rocket launchers, 2 ammunition depots, 3 fuel depots, and 19 areas of concentration of Ukrainian military equipment and strongpoints. Since the beginning of the special military operation, 123 aircraft and 74 helicopters, 311 unmanned aerial vehicles, 1,738 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 181 multiple rocket launchers, 726 field artillery and mortars, as well as 1,592 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed.